this beauty here. 67 Camaro convertible. This is a pretty cool car. So this auction's no reserve. It's April 12th. Bring cash. So this 67 Camaro is going up then, along with all the rest of them. So it's going to be a wild mother auction, and I hope everyone spends all their money on all the other cars. Yeah, this is the one I want. Come on down on the auction and check out all the rest of them. April 12th. So, wait a minute. And where are you guys from?
I'm from Prince Albert, Saskatchewan.
And I'm from Delisle, Saskatchewan.
Far out. And you brought this all the way out from Maymont?
Maymont, yeah. So we stopped back here January 29th of this year.
Right.
And we talked to Mike because we were towing a 60 Merc back from Nelson.
Nice.
And so we kind of got talking to Mike, and he said when he did that cross country, they stopped in Maymont and he fell in love with the truck. So we just said, hey, you know, we're in this area all the time, so
wow,
we'll
lucky us. So this looks pretty big and heavy. What is it exactly? What year?
So 58 Mercury, Mercury 750. So it's got a 292 Y block in it.
Far out. Look at those wheels. Holy jeez.
Yeah, and the size of that winch is crazy.
Whoa.
It's got a winch with extendable cap stands on both sides.
No kidding. Look at the cable on that. Man, oh man.
And then these gin poles, they flip back, and it's probably about 15 feet in the air when they're flipped out.
Holy. Why in the world did he want this?
Well, this is why Mike wanted it. I'm pretty sure it's because
Yeah.
they close.
Now I get it.
They close so nice, right?
Now I get it. Oh man. Okay, well, oh man, that's a big trailer you got.
Yep. She was heavy. She was a hard pull all the way.
Empty, that's heavy.
Yeah, we're about 15,000 pounds truck and trailer empty. And this truck, when we went through the scales, we figured out about 13,000 pounds extra.
Wow. Yeah? Yeah, I believe it. Look at the size of the freaking rear end. My word. Okay, so you're just gonna unload it right here, and then is it?
Yep.
You can push it not too bad.
Oh yeah,
we'll just put the rest on and drag it to the back, and just gotta pick up that tire so it won't drag. That's all.
Just take a little bit of weight off of her, and she'll
And that's
roll right
split
back.
rim.
Yeah, old split rims.
Ooh.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna set this over here, and you guys can have fun.
Thanks, Blair.
Oh yeah. It's the least I can do, and I'm always willing to do that.
When we were pulling it on, or pushing it on, I was like, holy man. Like, the back of the trailer was almost touching the ground. Couldn't believe that. Probably not gonna get close enough. We'll chain up, and then we'll see if we can pull it back far enough.
About halfway up, you can down lower.
Yeah, put it around the bottom. Oh, go right just on the bottom. Under that one. Huh? Under that one. You ready? Cold way I can catch it.
Yep.
Nicely done, guys. Oh yeah.
Good?
Yep.
Whoa. That other ramp.
Oh yeah. We're clear.
Where does he want it?
Where do you want it, Tim?
Over beside the white truck.
Okay. You'll have to straighten out.
You unhook me, I'll just push you over there now. Are you gonna clear my trailer?
No. So what are you taking back with you?
We are headed from here to Kelowna.
Yeah.
We're picking up 79 Ford short box,
Wow.
2-wheel drive,
Right on.
351. And then once we're done there, we're headed up to Quesnel to pick up 2 60s Mercury short box unibodies.
Wow, those are cool trucks.
So
Jeez. Nice.
it's gonna be another full day of adventure here in BC.
And as Mike would say, we're taking more of that nice BC iron.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, but we did bring back a lot of Saskatchewan iron, so
Yeah, a
we're
lot of
making a
weight.
trade.
Sure.
We're making a trade.
You bet.
I think we're bringing more back than we're taking, though. This one's a little heavier than all of them.
That's good. Wow, that is the cleanest unloading I have seen in a while.
We've done it a time or two.
No kidding.
We've done her a time or two.
All right.
It's fun.
Oh yeah.
Wouldn't want to do anything else. I enjoy this stuff. I love it. It's not really hard work. It's just 2 guys that got to work together that, you know, have done it long enough together. And
Into the same kind of weird trucks.
exactly. And they're weird.
Oh yeah.
Some of the
perfect.
ones are pretty weird, but
Those unibodies are going to be very cool.
they're going to be super cool. Parts are getting pretty hard to find, but super cool trucks.
And you can fit them both on here, right?
Oh, absolutely.
That is a huge trailer.
So the 40 foot right to the end, our next deal, because these, we end up putting duals or something on them, and these fenders kind of get beat up, so we're gonna put drive overs.
Just a second here.
Yeah.
Mike. Yeah, man.
Blair, the 62 Impala FF.
Yeah. What about it?
there was no description in the pictures. I didn't do any build thing on it. No description. Is there a number?
Well, the one by your I sent you a picture of. I sent you a bunch of pictures yesterday.
Oh, okay.
It was
okay.
91, I think.
Okay. And there was no number on the Trans Am?
No, it's sitting out here. That's the one you just bought for wheels.
Oh no! That was the other one. It looked just like the other one. Okay, I'll get it.
Okay, so right now I'm just filming the guys. They just unloaded your beautiful truck. You're sitting here on
Like
speakerphone with them. Are you freaking out of your mind? This thing. He showed me how the door shuts. It all made sense suddenly why you bought it.
Yeah.
I mean, my freaking word, man. It's like 13,000 pounds of scrap.
Yeah, but it's a nice car. The door's closed like brand new.
Yeah, but you're the only guy who cares.
The sun was gleaming. It was like as it was going down, the sun was reflecting off the hood.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
like a magical moment.
Well, it's raining here, man.
Okay, well, send me a bunch. I thought the pictures they sent me, I'm going to get Todd to post that one too.
Okay, they're right here with me. They just unloaded. They got to wrap up their chains.
Okay, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
All right,
No problem. Thanks, Mike.
Okay, bye.
Get back.
Okay, thanks, Blair.
Yep. All right, guys, we'll have fun wrapping up your chains.
Absolutely.
I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing you guys again.
Oh yeah, we'll be back. There's too much stuff here left in BC for.
All right.
So we always got to come back.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Thanks, buddy.